Yeah, good morning. It's about 7 a.m. Currently minus 16 degrees Fahrenheit out. I use maybe 10-15% of the battery. Gonna check the plumbing here. See how the water system held up. I held up fine. There's no doubt it's a little bit colder in this area than it is in the front because the furnace outputs are in this area. However, it was fine. Okay, still sun shining, so it did warm up in here a little bit. Didn't really snow last night. If it did, it snowed just a tiny bit. Just wanted to check the plumbing, make sure that it had hot and cold water, which we do, and check the toilet. See if it, yep. So there you have it. Minus 16 degrees, hot and cold water flowing at the sink and at the toilet.